What patterns did you notice? I noticed some patterns in the different length of the lines. Which among the colors had the shortest wavelength? So, what about the color with the longest wavelength? How did you say so? The color violet has the shortest wavelength while the red is the longest. The markings are the evidence and recognized as the wavelength. What were the values of frequency you had computed for each color? The values of the frequency respectively are 0.6, 0.86, and 1.2. With these values, which colors had the highest and lowest frequency, respectively? With the computed values, the color violet has the highest frequency, while the color red has the lowest frequency. If waves are moving at the same speed, what is the relationship between wavelength and frequency? Describe their relationship. So, frequency and wavelength have both direct and inverse relationships. For instance, if two waves are traveling at the same speed, they are inversely related. So, the wave with shorter wavelength will have a higher frequency, while a longer wavelength will have a lower frequency. Just as wavelength and frequency are related to light, they are also related to energy. The shorter the wavelengths and higher the frequency corresponds with greater energy. So the longer the wavelengths and lower the frequency results in lower energy.